Hello everyone, good morning student. Myself Anjali. This is the book of is English grammar. Take out page number 17. Children, in the last lecture I taught about vowel letters and consonant letter. Today I will teach you new topic of rhyming words and non-rhyming words. Today's date is 6th July 2020. Today's day is Monday. Subject English grammar. First, definition of rhyming words. Similar sounding words is called rhyming word. Example, HAT hat, BAT bat, CAT cat. Look these words. Rhyming words. First picture of hat. Spelling of hat. HAT hat. BAT bat. CAT cat. Next. DEN den. PEN pen. HEN hen. BIN bin. PIN pin. TIN tin. Student, these spellings are different but sound are same. It's called rhyming words. Look these spellings. HAT hat, BAT bat, CAT cat. Here HAT hat, BAT bat, CAT cat. These spellings are different but sound are same. बच्चों, हम राइमिंग वर्ड सीख रहे हैं. इसमें राइमिंग वर्ड किसे बोलते हैं? तो राइमिंग वर्ड जो सिमिलर साउंडिंग वर्ड्स रहते हैं उसे राइमिंग वर्ड बोलते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट, rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. It's called rhyming words. These are same example of rhyming words. First example of rhyming word: BALL ball, DOLL doll, WALL doll. These examples describes spellings are different but sounds are same. Next, SAND sand, HAND hand, LAND land. Same student, same here. Spellings are different but sound are same. Sand, hand, land. Next, MAN man, FAN fan, VAN van. In the last, same sounds are same, spelling are different. So student, now we are going to study about non-rhyming words. Definition: differently sounding words is called non-rhyming words. For example, HAT hat, CAP cap, and JUG jug. It describes spellings and sounds are totally different. HAT hat, CAP cap, JUG jug. Totally sounds are different. It's called non-rhyming words. Next picture of LEG leg. LEG leg. Read with me, student. Next, MEN men. Next, a lady lad. Next, CUP cup, TAP tap, CUB cup. Next, BOW bow, BUS bus, MUG mug. So student, these words are matching. You guess? No student. It's totally different. These sounds are not matching. It's called non-rhyming words. So you student, you understood very well what is rhyming word and non-rhyming word. Next, take out page number 20. Exercise, solve exercise. Question 1. Question number 1. Write 3 rhyming words for each of the given question words. Follow the example. First example, PUB pub, HUB hub, TUB tub, CUB cub. Next, CAP cap, MAP map, TAP tap, LAP lab. Second, DEN den, HEN hen, PEN pen, TEN ten. Third, PIN pin, TIN tin, BIN bin, WIN win. Fourth number, COT cot, HOT hot, POT pot, NOT not. And last word, ROP rob, MOB mob, COP cop, NOB knob. Question exercise question number 2. Color each bell that has 3 rhyming words on it. Example, SUN sun, FUN fun, BUN bun. These are 3 rhyming words. You find out uh, in a first bell, you read with me. BELL bell, FELL fell, TAIL tail. These words are similar or not similar sounding words? It's not. In a first bell, these words are totally different. These sounds are not matching. So first bell is non rhyming words bell. Second bell is question number 2. Color each bell that has 3 rhyming words on it. First example, sun, fun, bun. It's a same sounding words. It's a rhyming words. First bell, BELL bell, FELL fell, TAIL tell. फर्स्ट बेल में आपको फेल एंड बेल सेम साउंडिंग वर्ड है, बट TAIL टेल, टेल इज नॉट सेम साउंडिंग वर्ड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, SHELL शेल, MAIL मेल, WALL वेल, शेल वेल, मेल. In these words, shell, SHELL shell and well is a same sounding word, but mel is not same sounding word. Third number, PAN pan, TEN ten and PIN pin. So totally different. Fourth number, BED bed, RED red, BEAD bed. It's not rhyming word. Next, fifth number, MAT mat, FAT fat, HAT hat. It's a rhyming words. You have color it. Next, you have to color it. Next number 6 number, bench, wrench, trench. It's a rhyming words, so you have to color it. Seventh number, BOY boy, GO go, TOY toy. It's not similar words. It's not rhyming words. So Next number, 8th number, same, 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 CLOCK, clock, TALK, talk. It's a not a similar words. 9 number, WELL, well, BELT, belt, SELL, cell. It's a totally different sounding words. 10th number, DAY, day, PAY, pay, SAY, say. It's a rhyming words. These words are same sounding words. 11th number, LAND, land, SAND, sand, BAND, band. These words are rhyming words. So student, whichever rhyming words are there, you have to color that bell. इस पिक्चर में आपको जहां पर राइमिंग वर्ड्स दिख रहे हैं उस बेल को आपको कलर करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Add a letter so that every word rhymes with the word cat. Follow the example. BAT, bat, SAT, sat, PAT, pat, MAT, mat, RAT, rat, HAT, hat, CAT, cat, VAT, vat. Question number 4. Add a letter so that every word rhymes with the word RED, red. Follow the example. RED, red. Example, BED, bed, and NAD, ned, FAD, fed, WED, wed, TED, ted, LED, led. Next question, 5th number. Add a letter so that every word rhymes with the word book. Follow the example. TOOK, took, NOOK, nook, COOK, cook, HOOK, hook. Brain ticklers. See the pictures carefully. Write the names of these animals with the help of letters given in the help box below. Help box, ATWCCO. What is this? This is the picture of cow, 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 and CAT, cat. As we all know, student, this lecture is finished. I will provide notes. So student, you must have to complete this exercise in your textbook and notebook. Take care student. Goodbye.